Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to manage your front and back walkover at the same time. Very short skills, okay? So, what we want to start with doing is stretching. Let me take my camera down a little bit and let's start. First stretch, you start by doing this. Your hands, wrist spin, hold your wrist and then spin your hands like this. Do the same with your other hand and with your feet. And now put yourself into a butterfly. A butterfly, push one down, push the other, push one down forward, push the other. So sorry, I'm messing up a little bit. Push one down and then the other one down. And then do the same with this froggy. And then now push sideways, sideways. After you stretch that, you take your foot and you push it to your tissue. This thing is called a tush push. And then you want to do a lunge now. Do the same with the other leg. And a tush push, remember. And now, straighten down like this. And do the same with the other leg. Okay, so now the stretching's finished. So now we want to start doing the front and back walkover skills and all the common mistakes that people make during they're doing it. So let's get started. So what you want to start by doing, let me just move my camera up a little bit. Okay, so you want to start by doing, so what you want to start by doing, you always start with one leg in front of you. Okay. You want to always put your leg up first and then in a straight line. And now you just kick back into a handstand split. And if you don't know how to do a handstand split, here's a drill. So the drill we start by finding a wall. Sorry, that was my dad. A blank piece of wall where there's nothing there that cannot walk. So, let me just move you to here a little bit. You lovely people, I hope you guys are looking good today. Because if you are, well done. What if you want? What if you're having a bad day? And even if you're having a bad headache, I don't mind, you can still do this exercise. This isn't about looking how good you are. Because I'll tell you a secret, I'm wearing my PJs right now. Actually, I'm not joking. Hey, so as we were saying, you want to start by finding a blank piece of wall. You put your leg in front, just in front of you. You turn so you're facing the front, and this one is legs like me. You put your hands down. Okay, so I'll show you guys something. Right, let me just wait. So you put your hands down, not really far from your feet. Just in front of your feet. Just in front, not in the middle yet. Okay, so now after that you wanna fix up the camera a little bit first. Not you, I wanna fix up the camera a little bit first. So after you're doing that, well, you go into a split. So you can see my foot. I know you can't see. I made the view a little bit better. So let me just pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, I guess that's good now. Okay. So as you see me doing that, since that drill is done, I'm going to now teach you I'm going to now teach you step by step how to do a front walkover. So we're doing front walkover first and back. Okay? So that's my sister. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, sorry. Something's wrong with this. Oh, there we go. So starting off by doing this, we will go here. Okay. Can you guys see me? Yeah, kind of. I don't know. Okay, I'll take this up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, you guys can see me, but you can't see my whole body. I wish I had this good thing, like go higher, I guess. But I can't, sadly. Or maybe I can. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. So let's get started now. Let me just show my whole body first. No. Well, I don't trust myself. So, wait, you want to start by doing? So what you want to start by doing, you have to, for the handstand split, like this. And also, for your handstand split, you can't go here and then hit, like, to the side and then go. That's wrong. You want to prevent from doing that. You want to here and then like a half rainbow, like you're doing a cartwheel, literally. Like it's actually kind of like you're doing a cartwheel, but like you're just doing it forward, not sideways. Okay. So let's start. So before I show you how to do all the steps and stuff, let me just show you the real front walkover, how it's supposed to look like. Okay? That's how the real front walkover is supposed to look like if you saw that. But if you didn't, I'll do it again. So that's how it's supposed to look like. So, what you want to start by doing is you start with a handstand split. So you want to start with a handstand split, and then after your handstand split, this foot, the one I'm pointing right now, is down with a bridge. Only one foot. The other foot's up in the air. And as this foot's going down, your body's coming up. So this is how it's gonna look like. You all do those all together. Handstand, bridge, and then all come up together. And like put it like in a row basically. It'll be a fun walkover. Oh, and also if you don't know how to do like a handstand, a bridge, any of those gymnastic stuff, I recommend you shouldn't try this. This is actually kind of dangerous, to be honest. Dangerous if you don't know how to do it because you could break a bone, and I don't want to get told off for that. I don't want to get told off by my friends, 10 click fans, by my fans, and get unsubscribed by every single one. So you want to prevent from, so you want to don't do it, and also do not do it if you're 5 and under. It's really dangerous if you do it in 5 and under. And if you're over 5, I'd rather you have a parent spotting you to make sure you won't get hurt or anything. So yeah. So let's get back to it. Okay. Start now. Also, I'll show you again how the whole front walkover looks like. And there's a few common mistakes that people make. First common mistake is like when you do your front walkover, your face is looking up. So this is how it will look like if your face is looking up for it. And then if your face is looking up, you can't get up anymore. Or you could even make a twist and hurt yourself. Because I don't want that to happen, but I just did, but I am really confident for this because I'm really unlikely to make another mistake. I'm showing you these mistakes that you're not supposed to. I'm not actually making them. I'm showing them. Okay. Another mistake that people do is like when you go and then your foot goes really wide and you can't get up again, and you just have to do that. That can break your neck if you just put your head first. So you also want to prevent from doing that. So back to the first one. Also another thing we wanted to add on is a way to not look at this. You should always look at your hands. You should always look at your hands. A way to make sure you look at your hands instead of the ceiling is you by standing up and hands down, look at the hands, and you go do that. Look at your hands and try that for 1 minute so you get. Try that for 1 minute. So try that for 1 minute so you get used to it. Okay, back to the second common mistake. The second common mistake is finished. So let's do the third now. So the third common mistake that people do is when they're getting up, they stumble. They stumble rather than tumble. Remember? Stumble, tumble, don't do a tumble. They stumble by doing this, and then also they could fall, and also stumbling like doing a front walkover like this. Front walkover, and then they can't hold it still anymore. Because if you're doing like a competition or something, you'll definitely get 0 points for that. So the fourth and the last common mistake people make is when they go slow. When they go slow, you can actually hurt yourself. And yeah, I don't really want that to happen either. It's how it looks like if you go slow. You might like twist your wrist. So you twist your wrist. Like if you twist your wrist, it's like really fast. Okay, now that's all for the front walkover, and I know you might be thinking, no, I don't want you to go, or maybe not thinking, I don't know. Okay, like no, I don't want you to go. I want you to stay with me. No worries. I'm gonna still stay. I'm also doing a one for back walkovers. Okay. So let's get started for the back walkover. Okay, so for the back walkover, this is how it will actually look like while doing the back walkover. This is basically a front walkover by doing it the other way. Sorry guys, I have to go now. I'm a little bit busy. I'll try doing the back walkovers in my next tutorial. But make sure to check out, subscribe, like and share, comment down below if it was good. And also make sure to check out my aerial tutorial. My aerial tutorial, my aerial tutorial, my round-up tutorial, my round-up pop-out tutorial, my cartwheel pop-out tutorial, and all the other tutorials, even a handspring tutorial. I'm still learning how to do a handspring, but I've got the basics of the tutorial from my friend, from a girl called Anna McNulty doing a handspring. And also you should follow Anna McNulty. She's really good. She's like one of the most flexiblest. So yeah. So one more time, make sure to subscribe, like and share, comment down below if it was good or not, and yeah, if it even helped you. And remember my advice, do not do it if you're 5 and under. Maybe you can do it if you're 6 and over, maybe, but 6 and over is the best time to do it. And if you don't know how to do like tumble, gymnastics and whatever stuff, you shouldn't do this. You could just like watch this or something, but you should prevent by doing this because it'll be really dangerous. So one last bite to you guys, and I hope you had a great time. I hope it helped, and it won't help straight away. It takes a few days to actually get it right. Like me, it took me like about 2 months to get it right, to get it like really perfect. Okay, to really get perfect. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you had a good time, and bye!